There's a relentless grind to living on the streets in Portland.
I'm just trying to survive. They follow you around and post on you and post on you and post on you, so you're in a constant state of move.
This tired narrative defines Dave's every move.
Can't get anything done because you have to worry about moving your stuff and keeping it safe from them.
He's talking about Rapid Response BioClean, one of 2 commercial cleaning companies contracted by the city to clean and remove homeless camps throughout Portland. A historic ruling just came down in a 2020 lawsuit filed by a homeless person against Rapid Response. It found Rapid Response liable for wrongly throwing out personal property during a sweep here in the St. John's neighborhood. Rapid Response denies the claims, but owes about $400 in damages.
However, the Rapid Response employees did testify to taking everything that they removed that day to the dump.
Nate Haberman is one of the attorneys behind the case, the first of its kind in Portland.
And it sets an important precedent that under Oregon law, everybody's property is valued.
The city's campsite removal crews have cleared or removed 4,000 campsites in just the last 12 months. That's according to city data. Now, it's not clear if Rapid Response is responsible for all of those removals. But remember, this lawsuit was filed roughly 3 years ago, meaning there's been thousands of campsite removals since then. And some argue that Rapid Response has been doing this all along. Those living in this camp share that belief.
What it takes to live, they take it from you.
Following a camp cleanup, Rapid Response crews are required to store people's personal property, regardless of its condition, for 30 days, with the exception of things like weapons and drugs. After 30 days, the property is destroyed or donated.
They say they're putting it in storage, but it's never there. This last time, I didn't get any of my hygiene stuff back. I didn't get any of my first aid stuff back.
Dave called 311 twice to report it.
I doubt it's going to do any damn good. You know.
Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler's office tells KGW they're glad the lawsuit is resolved and pleased with the improvements the program has made to property storage over the last 3 years. We called Rapid Response on Wednesday. They had no comment and weren't even interested in hearing our questions.
These people who have not had a voice for so long now do have a voice and are able to bring these cases and use the legal system to protect their property.
The attorneys behind this case are prepared to take on more cases like this and believe this could be just the tip of the iceberg.